I just flipped $15 into over $500 in one single trading XAUUSD. This wasn't luck. I'm going to break it down exactly how I did it, the entries I took, the risk management, and how I stayed calm under pressure. But first, do me a favor, like and subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out real raw trading content. Just to be clear, this isn't a financial advice. I'm just showing you what actually worked for me. The broker I used was Exness because it has fast execution, tight spread, and it's beginner friendly. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can use the link in the description below to download and sign up to Exness. Also, if you don't know how to sign up, I made a video about it and I'll also be linking the video in the description below. So without further ado, let's get down to it. I started with just $15, not ideal, but I made a decision, flip it or lose it trying. I focused on XAUUSD only because gold moves fast, the volatility is high, and if you catch a clean move, you could flip a small account with no distraction, no switching pairs. Let me break it down. First of all, I went to the 4-hour time frame. I checked the trend of the market and I saw it was clearly on a bullish trend. So I looked for liquidity and marked out my POI with a very tight stop loss because I had only $15 in my account and I'll be over leveraging on this account. After the sweep of the low, I entered my first position of 0.05. And after I moved and I was floating a profit of over $30, and then I allowed it to run for a while. As you can see how precise the entry is, I was running a profit of over $83. And then I thought to myself, I needed to add more position. So I entered the second position of 0.1, risking the same $15 after the move, after a clear break of structure on a lower time frame. So and then it went back, it retraced to $61. So I waited for a move, a massive break of structure. So I'll plan to enter my next position. And then it moved to over $135, as you can see here. And then it went to over $217. Then I decided to add my next position, risking the same $15. And then I lost the trade. And then I added two more positions. I added two more positions of 0.1 each to the trade, risking the same $15 each. And then I was floating a profit of over $311 and I got a bit greedy. And then I decided to add one more position and then risking the same $15, but I lost it. That's what took my balance to over 50 cents. So I decided to let the trade run that way, as you can see. And then I was running a profit of over $500 and I decided to stop here. Here is the crazy part. My account balance was down to 15 cents, but my floating profit was over $500. I could have panicked, I could have closed early, but I didn't. I trusted the setup, I stayed patient, and I let it run. Eventually, price pushed beyond that. My risk strategy was just simple. I did not start stacking random positions. Every position I stacked was carefully calculated after a break of structure and a retracement. No indicators, no guess, price actions, and discipline. What helped me with knowing when to stop adding position was just as important as knowing when to enter. Now let me tell you a big reason why this worked smoothly was because of my broker, because of the tight spread, fast execution, and no stress with withdrawals. Even with just a small deposit, use the link in the description below to sign up for Exness. If you don't know how to, I already dropped a link. You can go there and watch it to learn how to sign up to Exness. Also, finally, what this trade taught me, you don't really need a big account to make big moves. You just need precision and discipline. I risked $15 per entries. I added at the right time and walked away with almost $500 in profit. If this inspires you, smash that like button and turn on the bell notification. I'm dropping more live flips, breakdown, and trading week on every single week. Check the description to sign up to Exness. Let's grow together. Without further ado, have a nice day and goodbye.